Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talkies. Today I will be introducing Azure Pathway based on the information collected from Microsoft official website. I will be providing direct links to the Microsoft exam. There you can go enroll and get all the information related to the exam. And there you can find some related courses also provided by the Microsoft only. So you can choose them to go with the uh, certifications. So now let us begin with the overview of the whole scenario. Firstly, let me introduce Azure at its core. Azure is a public cloud computing platform with solutions including infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service that can be used for services such as analytics, virtual computing, storage, networking, and much more. It can be used to replace or supplement or your on-premises servers. So by certifications, everyone have their own theory. So it's true to some extent that you should have knowledge. Certification somehow doesn't matter, but when we comes to a professional certification, there are many reasons why you should have it. So flexible career, attractive salary package, proof of commitment, enterprise agreement support, and professional development, and many more. It can help you to gain better career opportunity in different sector and location. These certification offer many professional development options that can help you achieve your goals. So if you are a beginner, you can go with the fundamentals. So there are three fundamentals certification for beginner. First one is AZ 900. This is basically for cloud. Then we come to DP 900. This is for data, DBA, data architecture, and data engineers. Then we come to AI 900. This is basically for AI ML data science people. So I will introduce the associate certification in depth because I think fundamental and associate level should be done in a proper manner. Then we will go with the expert and specialist. So for firstly I will start with Easy 900. This is Azure fundamentals. For this exam you should have fundamental knowledge of cloud services and how those services are provided with Microsoft Azure. So this exam is for those who are just beginning to work with cloud based solutions and services or new to Azure. If you have nothing, you don't know about anything about cloud, then you should start from here. This will be a big point for you. Then this is DP 900. For this exam, you should have fundamental knowledge of core data concept and how they are implemented using Microsoft Azure data services. This exam is intended for candidates beginning to work with data on the cloud. So for the data backend people, this will be a boost. Then we come to AI 900. So for AI 900 exam, you should have fundamental knowledge of machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence concept and related Microsoft Azure services. This exam is an opportunity to demonstrate knowledge of common ML and AI workload and how to implement them on Azure. So after this I will move to associate level. So first associate level certification is AZ 104. For this exam, this is for Azure Administrator Associate. For this exam, you should have subject matter expertise in implementing, managing, and monitoring an organization's Microsoft Azure environment. And the main part, candidate should have at least 6 months of hands-on experience administrating Azure along with strong understanding of core Azure services, workload, security, and governance. So after that we will go with AZ204, developing solution for Microsoft Azure. For this exam, you should be subject matter expertise in design, building, testing, and manipulating cloud application and services on Microsoft Azure. And for this certification, you should have 1 to 2 years of professional development experience and experience with Microsoft Azure also. So for the experienced people, these associate level things are. So then we move to EZ 500. For this exam, you should have subject matter expertise in implementing security control and threat protections. So managing identity and access and protecting data, application and network for security peoples. Then we come to DP203. This is data engineering on Microsoft Azure. For this exam, you should have subject matter expertise in integrating, transform and consolidating data from various structured and unstructured systems into a structure that is suitable for building analytic solution. Candidate for this exam must have strong knowledge of data processing language such as SQL, Python, Scala, and they need to understand parallel processing and data architecture patterns. Then we come to AI 102. This is uh, this for this exam you should know design and implementing a Microsoft Azure AI solution, build, manage and deploy AI solutions that leverage Azure Cognitive Service, Azure Cognitive Research and Azure Board Framework. So for AI. Then we come to DP100. For Azure Data Science Associate certification, you should have subject matter expertise in applying data science and machine learning to implement and run a machine learning workload on an Azure platform. So that's all with the Azure Associate certification. Then the expert. In the expert, we are having 3 certifications. AZ400. This is for design and implementing Microsoft DevOps solution. Then we come to AZ303. This is for architecture technology, and AZ304. This is for architectural design. These are the dependents. So you should take both the exams. Then we come to specialty. This is Azure AZ120 for planning and administrating Microsoft Azure for SAP workload. Then we come to AZ220 for Microsoft Azure IoT developers. So this is the whole overview of our fundamental, associate, expert and specialist. There are many more certifications, you can go with them, but for a basic flow I have explained this. So this was the base to expertise to specialist. So you can follow this flow for a better view. So I will be providing links below this video. Go with them. You will find all the courses related to the certification according to the links. These are the links what I will be providing in the below the video also. So according to the exam name you can refer the links, and in the links you can get the courses also which is provided by the Microsoft only. So that will be a great boost to your career. So I think this will be very helpful for the beginners. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe it. Thanks a lot.